and gentlemen, welcome to another fantastic episode of Life Made Easy. Let me get my drink of water first. So after that, make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you guys know exactly when I upload and all that good stuff. And if you haven't already, go check out the College Made Easy podcast. That's my podcast I run with my friends from school, and we give you guys a bunch of tips and tricks. I can't even speak. For becoming a successful college student. So without further ado, let's hop into my review of the Newbie Bluetooth earpiece that you use for phone calls. Was able to attach this ear thing on it just so it would hook around your ear, because I was having some issues with actually making it stay in place. Has an Apple style, and shout out to Newbie for sending me out. I reviewed their other headphones here, the MV6s. These were amazing, one of my favorite on-ear pairs of headphones ever. So go check that video out if you haven't already. This charges via micro USB, which they send you in the box. Amazing. I have 10,000 pairs of micro USB cables. Has an Apple earbud style hook in your ear to stay in place. This one's a little big. Let me try to replace it. Or I'm sorry, it might be a little too small. I'm gonna try to replace it real quick. Hopefully I can do this on camera. Oh, I got it. Okay, wow, that was pretty lucky. So it goes on like that, has a hook for your ear, or the inside of your ear. Put it on like this, and then wrap the ear thing around your ear. Hopefully that stays in place. Jeez, I'm such a novice at this kind of stuff. So if you guys haven't already, subscribe, hit the bell. Check out my other content that I upload. So this is what it looks like. Hopefully I don't look like a complete idiot, but so it also comes with another earbud if you want to plug it in the back of this and go in your other ear so you can get a stereo sound if you're on an important phone call and you think that's necessary. You can do that as well. It also came with some ear plugs. So if you have someone who snores a lot, you can use these, or if you're a musician and you're at a concert or something like that and you don't want to blow your ears out, you can use this as well. Thanks Newbie for including them. May as well, I don't know, cool accessory. Another ear hook thingy right there. And then we got a bunch of other ear hooks that they included. So a bunch of accessories, which is awesome. This is what it looks like overall. Shake test, stays on pretty well, which is great. Probably do an audio test and give you guys my honest feedback about what I think of the overall call quality. If it sounds pretty clear. It is Bluetooth, so we'll have to see. And has an on and off switch right there to turn it on and off. It'll start like flashing like this to pair to your phone. And then it also comes with a volume rocker, up and down volume, just to adjust that as well, which is cool. If you guys haven't already, check out the College Made Easy podcast. I'm going to say that again. And yeah, I mean, thanks Newbie for sending me this out. Now let's hop into the audio test of this video. I was doing a test of this Bluetooth headset I got sent. Do I sound okay? Is it better or worse than my cell phone? Okay. Yeah, I've never used a Bluetooth earpiece before for phone calls. Okay. So scale from 1 to 10, how good is it? Okay. Okay, thank you. Bye. Okay guys, so you heard it there first, last, I don't know. It seemed that when I was on the phone, the other person could hear me pretty well and stuff like that. So A+ for that. And I could hear everything perfectly fine. So this product It meets my expectations. It works great. It paired pretty quickly to my device. The inline volume controls were great. The fit on the ear was pretty great. No real complaints. This thing is really cool to have if you do want a stereo sound, which is nice. But yeah, overall, great product. Thank you, Newbie, for sending me this out. If you guys haven't already, smash the like button, subscribe with the bell notification, and I'll leave a link to this earpiece, Bluetooth earpiece, down in the description below. See you guys then. Peace out.